In the quest for healthy, vibrant hair, more and more people are turning to the power of nature. Essential oils, with their potent botanical properties, are gaining immense popularity in hair care routines. These aromatic extracts offer a holistic approach to hair growth, addressing various concerns from scalp health to strand strength. As we step into 2024, the trend of incorporating essential oils for hair growth is only going to flourish. Essential oils work their magic by stimulating hair follicles, balancing scalp oils, and improving blood circulation. They can help combat hair loss, promote thickness, and enhance shine. But the beauty of essential oils extends beyond their effectiveness. They offer a sensory experience, transforming your hair care routine into a moment of aromatherapy bliss. Imagine the invigorating scent of rosemary and peppermint awakening your scalp, or the calming aroma of lavender easing your stresses away. These are just a few examples of the aromatic journey that awaits you with essential oils. In this exploration of essential oil recipes for hair growth, we'll uncover the benefits of various blends, guiding you to create your own natural hair care potions at home. Get ready to unlock the secrets of luscious locks naturally. This year, embrace the power of essential oils and embark on a journey towards healthier, more vibrant hair. Let's delve into the world of essential oil blends and discover the recipes that will revolutionize your hair care routine in 2024. When it comes to stimulating hair growth, rosemary and peppermint essential oils are a powerhouse duo. Rosemary is renowned for its ability to improve circulation, delivering vital nutrients to hair follicles. This invigorating oil helps strengthen hair strands, preventing breakage and promoting length. Its stimulating properties can even awaken dormant hair follicles, encouraging new growth. Peppermint oil, with its refreshing and cooling sensation, complements rosemary perfectly. It further enhances circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the scalp. This dynamic combination not only promotes hair growth, but also soothes the scalp, creating an optimal environment for healthy hair. To create this invigorating blend, mix 4 drops of rosemary essential oil with 3 drops of peppermint essential oil. Add this to 2 tablespoons of a carrier oil like jojoba or argan oil. Massage gently into your scalp for a few minutes, allowing the oils to penetrate deeply. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or even overnight for a more intensive treatment. This simple yet effective recipe is a great starting point for your essential oil hair growth journey. The stimulating properties of rosemary and peppermint will awaken your scalp and revitalize your hair, setting the stage for healthy growth and fuller, more vibrant locks. A healthy scalp is the foundation for healthy hair growth. Lavender and cedarwood essential oils offer a soothing and calming blend that promotes scalp health, creating an ideal environment for hair to flourish. Known for its relaxing properties, lavender oil helps to reduce stress, a major contributor to hair loss. Its gentle nature calms inflammation and soothes irritation, creating a balanced scalp. Cedarwood essential oil complements lavender beautifully with its grounding and balancing properties. It helps to regulate sebum production, preventing both dryness and excessive oiliness. This balance is crucial for a healthy scalp, as it ensures proper nourishment for hair follicles without clogging them. To create this calming blend, combine 3 drops of lavender essential oil with 2 drops of cedarwood essential oil. Add this to 2 tablespoons of a carrier oil, such as jojoba or sweet almond oil. Massage this soothing blend into your scalp, taking deep breaths to enhance the relaxing benefits of the oils. This recipe is ideal for those experiencing scalp irritation, dryness, or excessive oiliness by creating a balanced and calm scalp environment. This blend encourages healthy hair growth from the root. Embrace the soothing power of lavender and cedarwood and watch your hair thrive. Achieving a balanced scalp is crucial for promoting healthy hair growth. Ylang ylang and clary sage essential oils work together harmoniously to regulate sebum production, ensuring an optimal environment for hair follicles to flourish. Ylang ylang, with its exotic floral scent, is renowned for its balancing properties. It helps to control oil production, preventing both dryness and excessive oiliness, creating a healthy foundation for hair growth. Clary sage, with its earthy and herbaceous aroma, complements ylang ylang perfectly. It also possesses balancing properties, further regulating sebum production. This dynamic duo ensures a well-nourished scalp without clogging hair follicles, encouraging healthy hair growth from the root. To create this balancing blend, mix 3 drops of ylang ylang essential oil with 2 drops of clary sage essential oil. Add this to 2 tablespoons of a carrier oil, such as grapeseed or argan oil. Gently massage this blend into your scalp, allowing the oils to penetrate deeply. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or even overnight for a deeply nourishing treatment. This recipe is perfect for those seeking a harmonious balance for their scalp. The combined power of ylang ylang and clary sage will create an optimal environment for hair growth, leaving your hair feeling revitalized and vibrant. A clean and purified scalp is essential for healthy hair growth. Tea tree and lemon essential oils offer a powerful cleansing blend that removes impurities and promotes a healthy scalp environment. Tea tree oil, renowned for its antimicrobial properties, helps to eliminate bacteria and fungi that can hinder hair growth. It effectively cleanses the scalp, removing buildup and creating a fresh foundation for healthy hair. Lemon essential oil, with its invigorating citrus scent, complements tea tree oil perfectly. Its astringent properties help to clarify the scalp, removing excess oil and impurities. This dynamic duo creates a clean and purified scalp, optimizing the environment for healthy hair growth. To create this cleansing blend, combine 3 drops of tea tree essential oil with 2 drops of lemon essential oil. Add this to 2 tablespoons of a carrier oil, such as coconut or jojoba oil. Massage this purifying blend into your scalp, allowing the oils to penetrate deeply. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing your hair as usual. This recipe is particularly beneficial for those experiencing scalp buildup, itchiness, or dandruff. The cleansing power of tea tree and lemon will purify your scalp, creating an optimal environment for healthy hair growth. Embrace the refreshing sensation of this blend and watch your hair thrive. Enhanced blood circulation is key to delivering essential nutrients to hair follicles, promoting thicker, healthier hair growth. Ginger and black pepper essential oils offer a warming and stimulating blend that boosts circulation, invigorating the scalp and encouraging hair growth. Ginger oil, known for its warming properties, stimulates blood flow to the scalp, delivering vital oxygen and nutrients to hair follicles. Black pepper essential oil complements ginger with its stimulating and invigorating properties. It further enhances circulation, creating a warming sensation on the scalp. This dynamic duo awakens hair follicles, encouraging them to produce thicker, stronger hair strands. To create this stimulating blend, mix 3 drops of ginger essential oil with 2 drops of black pepper essential oil. Add this to 2 tablespoons of a carrier oil, such as sesame or avocado oil. Massage this warming blend into your scalp using gentle circular motions. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing your hair as usual. This recipe is ideal for those seeking thicker, fuller hair. The warming and stimulating properties of ginger and black pepper will invigorate your scalp, boosting circulation and encouraging healthy hair growth. Embrace the revitalizing power of this blend and watch your hair transform. Creating a harmonious balance between hair and scalp is essential for overall hair health. Geranium and bergamot. Essential oils offer a balancing and harmonizing blend that regulates sebum production, soothes the scalp, and enhances hair shine. Geranium oil, with its floral and uplifting aroma, is known for its balancing properties. It helps to regulate sebum production, preventing both dryness and excessive oiliness, creating a healthy foundation for hair growth. Bergamot essential oil, with its citrusy and refreshing scent, complements geranium perfectly. It possesses cleansing properties that help to clarify the scalp, removing impurities and promoting a healthy environment for hair growth. To create this harmonizing blend, combine 3 drops of geranium essential oil with 2 drops of bergamot essential oil. Add this to 2 tablespoons of a carrier oil, such as argan or sweet almond oil. Massage this blend into your scalp and hair, focusing on the ends to enhance shine. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing your hair as usual. This recipe is perfect for those seeking overall hair and scalp harmony. The balancing properties of geranium and the cleansing properties of bergamot will create a revitalized and healthy environment for your hair to thrive. Embrace the harmonizing power of this blend and watch your hair glow with health and shine. Carrier oils play a crucial role in diluting essential oils, making them safe for topical application on the scalp and hair. They also provide additional benefits, nourishing and conditioning the hair. When selecting a carrier oil, consider your hair type and specific needs. For dry hair, nourishing oils like argan oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil are excellent choices. They provide deep hydration and help to repair damaged hair. For oily hair, lighter oils like jojoba oil or grapeseed oil are ideal. They balance oil production without weighing down the hair. Sensitive scalps benefit from gentle oils like sweet almond oil or apricot kernel oil. These oils are less likely to cause irritation and soothe the scalp. Experiment with different carrier oils to find the perfect match for your hair and scalp. Remember, carrier oils enhance the benefits of essential oils, creating a luxurious and nourishing experience for your hair. Choose wisely and enjoy the added benefits these oils bring to your hair care routine. As we venture further into 2024, embracing natural solutions for hair growth is a trend that's here to stay. Essential oils offer a potent and aromatic journey towards healthier, more vibrant hair. From stimulating growth to soothing the scalp, balancing oils, and cleansing impurities, these botanical extracts address a wide range of hair concerns. The recipes shared in this exploration are just a starting point for your essential oil hair care adventure. Feel free to experiment, customize blends to your liking, and discover the combinations that work best for your unique hair type and needs. Remember, consistency is key when incorporating essential oils into your hair care routine. Regular use, along with a healthy lifestyle and balanced diet, will yield the most noticeable results. Embrace the power of nature, indulge in the aromatic bliss of essential oils, and unlock the secrets to luscious locks that you'll love. Here's to a year of healthy hair growth and vibrant shine. Let essential oils be your guide to achieving the hair of your dreams naturally. Happy blending. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Please see the link below for more videos regarding natural healing. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment for more videos you would like to see.